Okay, the last time I did this like faux braid, I had a couple of people ask me for a tutorial. So this time I did it like a halo style. So it actually wraps all the way around my head. And for these shorter hairs, and especially because my hair was already dry, I added some mousse there. And I sectioned off the top section of my hair that I didn't want included in the braid. And then I sectioned out my first little section, put the pony around it, and then you're going to split it in half. It helps if you have a pointy comb like this or something you can use to poke through the middle of your mini pony. Splitting it in half, and then you're just going to flip it through itself. So here I go, flipping it through that center gap you made with the comb. Pull it all the way through. And now you'll have this funny little twisted pony. Next, you're going to grab another section of hair the same way and pony it off. Then you're going to use your twisted section, slipping it over top and around your second pony. So I'm just slipping it around the second section pony, and then we're going to tighten those up. I tightened this one a little bit too much, so I'm just going to loosen it up first. Okay, now I'm tightening that twisted pony, the one that's looped around. So tighten that up a little bit, and then we're going to take that tail of that pony and add it into the third section of hair. So our first ponytail and our third section ponytail will get combined together into our next section. So again, I'm adding that twisted ponytail to my next sectioned piece of hair, and I'm just going to elastic both of those together into one ponytail. So again, I'm going to use the comb or whatever you've got to separate the farthest back section in half and then flipping it in on itself. And then once it's flipped, just slipping it over top and around the second section there. The one that we combined our first section and our third section together. So you're always working from one side around. You can use the pick here like I did to just kind of loop it through, grab that section of hair and just kind of like help to pull it through. Sometimes that makes it easier. Sometimes the angle is weird. Tightening up, and then just carry on doing that until you go all the way around. Like I said, this one's a halo, but if you were to start at your part line, you would just start from your part line, work your way back, stopping wherever you want. thought I'd show it to you one more time, just a little bit slower. So again, poking the comb through, just pulling that elastic back until I feel like I have enough to be able to slip and flip the ponytail through on itself. And then once you've pulled that through, just slipping that over and around the next ponytail, creating this fake braid chain effect. I just really love this. This is going to be my go-to summer hairstyle. I just know it. Things are definitely starting to get a little bit weird around here, but this is where my shortest bits of hair are, and so they're just starting to fall out. But you'll see that I just kind of fix that up with some bobby pins at the end. And of course, hairspray to keep all those little short hairs that aren't quite reaching in place and hopefully help this look last a little bit longer.